Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the subscribe my channel. You can also share comments in the comment section below. Never forget to hit the like button. Also don't forget to click the bell so that you miss any videos.
This video will show you the list of top 5 richest people in the world in 2017. Number 5. Charles Koch. Brother of Charles Koch, David Koch is the Executive Vice President of Koch Industries. Mr. Koch is believed to have net worth of $55.2 billion United States dollars, approx less than 370,000 crore as of 2017. He was born on the 1st of November 1935, age 81 years, in America. David also owns 42% of the conglomerate, Koch Industries. Number 4. Jeff Bezos. Mr. Bezos is a founder, chairman and the largest shareholder of the online shopping giant Amazon. He is believed to have net worth of $63.1 billion United States dollars, approx less than 422,000 crore as of 2017. Jeff was born on January 12, 1964. He purchased Washington Post newspaper division in 2013. Number 3. Warren Buffett. Mr. Warren Buffett is Chief Executive Officer and largest stakeholder in Berkshire Hathaway. His net worth is estimated at $68.2 billion United States dollars, approx 440,000 crore as of 2017. He has pledged to give away 99% of his net worth for philanthropist causes. He took birth on the 30th of August 1930. He is popularly known as Wizard of Omaha. He has been successfully treated of prostate cancer in 2012. He has been recognized as top money manager of 20th century by a survey done by Carson Group. Number 2. Amancio Ortega Gaona. Mr. Amancio is a fashion businessman and founder of Inditex Fashion Group. He is also the chairman of the same. He holds net worth of $75.8 billion United States dollars, approx 430,000 Indian rupees crore as of 2017. He is well known for its most famed Zara clothing retail shops worldwide. Very recently he was named richest person in the world by Forbes for 4 hours, beating Mr. Bill Gates. He left these studies at the age of 14 only. After leaving studies he worked for local shirt maker shop named Gala. There he learnt and excelled the art of making clothes by hand. In 1975 he inaugurated his first Zara store. Zara is estimated to have over 6,000 stores worldwide. Number 1, and only Bill Gates. As per the list published for 2015, Bill Gates regained his first rank as the richest person in the world. He is declared to own net worth of $85.9 billion United States dollars, approx 480,000 Indian rupees crore as of 2017. He was born on the 28th of October 1955 in US. He co-founded Microsoft with Paul Allen in 1975, which went on world's biggest and most successful personal computer company in coming years. He was named in world's 50 most eligible bachelors in 1985 by Good Housekeeping. Bill Gates are also author of 2 books by now, namely The Road Ahead and Business at the Speed of Thought. He has famously quoted, "Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning."